Hi there, and welcome to a very short episode of the canoe build. No, the Tudor. I had a bit of play in one of the wheel bearings, front wheel bearings. So I was just to fix that, and I discovered something very interesting indeed. Very interesting indeed. The threads is no longer from here and out. They are very bad, worn out, and just really bad. And the nut was not that good either. Yeah, as you can see here and back, it's not good. So yeah, I have two options. One, I will just go down one step, make new threads, and of course a new nut, or I'm going to have to change the spindle, which is not what I want to do. So I will just make new threads and step down one size. Yeah. Making new threads. Those were kind of crappy. And I have gone in like 2 rotations with new threads. I have found this is the original nut for this, and I have found 2 different height. If this doesn't fit, I will put spacers or washers behind this one, so this will fit. And these are M18 threads. That is the closest I can have here. And just like magic, I have the right tool for it here. So I have actually started. So I got like 2 revolutions done already. So I will thread all the way in. Well, not all the way, almost all the way in. Yeah, wish me luck. This is going quite well. So there you go. I have threads past. Oh, sorry. I have threads past this hole for the pin. So this will be no problem. This should be enough. Yay! Let's try with the wheel. What? New bearing. And there is the outer one. So last year I changed wheel bearing on this side. I don't know why I didn't change them on this side, but perhaps I thought they were good. Perhaps they were good last year. They were not very good this year. So yeah, I changed those. And I'm about to install the wheel again, and the drum. The drum and the wheel are still together. Easiest that way. So yeah, I will. What do I will? So I'll just put the drum and wheel back on. Yay! Yeah, this is good. This is even better. This is too weak. This is too much. Here it is. Freaking perfect. Hey. Let's see. Too big of a pin. Next size is here. Yeah. Cool. Great. So this wheel is done. Yay! Cheers! Yay! Hey! That's it for this episode. Hope you liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, feel free to give it 2 thumbs down. See you on the next one. Bye!